What is up, gang? Nick here. Welcome to the show. If you're new, thanks for coming back. If you're not, could there be a dark horse in this ongoing EV game? And could this player be XPENG? With the rise in the limelight that NIO has been receiving, many other promising EV companies are cast in its shadow and don't receive nearly the same media attention or well-earned coverage. In this video, I'm going to discuss and analyze why XPENG might have the highest percentage annual gains in terms of share price and may even outperform some competitors. We have a ton to get to in today's video, but before we get it, Webull is giving out 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. All you have to do is 1, sign up, 2, open an account, and 3, deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. Webull is a 0% commissions trading platform and offers some of the best analytics in the game. This really is an amazing offer and ends soon, so don't sleep on it. Check out the Discord channel if you haven't. What a cool community that is. There are so many inside looks on so many companies in there. It really is awesome. It is completely free. Check out the Patreon page. I will be posting every single one of my trades moving throughout 2021. I finished 2020 with over a 50% ROI. You don't want to miss any of that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a quick background on XPENG, analyze where their business is moving in the coming weeks, months, and years, and then give a yearly price target on where I think valuations can reasonably assert themselves. Alright, so XPENG, in case you aren't aware, is a Chinese electric vehicle automaker founded only in 2014 and headquartered in Guangzhou, China. Now, if you've watched my channel before, you will already be aware of just how bullish I am on XPENG. I first told my subscribers to invest in them at only $19 a share. Now, there are a number of reasons of why I am so bullish on this company moving throughout the year, of which I'll get to shortly. Now, what XPENG does so well and is continuously doing is at the heart of it, selling vehicles. Makes sense, right? An automotive company selling vehicles. However, this is actually no easy feat, and by the numbers and the sheer escalation in rapid sales, XPENG has absolutely burst onto the scene. They just posted absolutely phenomenal delivery numbers and are continually pushing this number to its upper limits. See, XPENG is based in the medium affordability bracket, and because of this, they're actually able to sell more vehicles than luxury brands like NIO were able to do only a year into their sales. As they sell more vehicles, their brand equity and awareness increases, more people see XPENGs, more people buy XPENGs, and so on and so forth, which creates a snowball-like effect relaying to exponential growth. XPENG is anticipating huge growth as they are continually increasing their delivery output capabilities at their factory locations. Now, in the month of November and December, XPENG had absolutely massive delivery months. They posted plus 30% gains 2 months in a row, and they have just hit January deliveries out of the park. XPENG delivered a record-breaking month in January, up above 6,000 vehicles for the first time in its history, 6,015 vehicles in the month of January alone. This is incredible, and this marks a 470% increase year over year. They are already delivering vast quantities of vehicles in their very short lifespan. They delivered 3,710 P7s, their sleek and smart new sedan, and 2,305 G3s, their smart SUV. XPENG is attributing this continued and accelerating success to increased brand awareness and a host of new smart optimized features. They have also been pushing their autonomous driving technology, and many analysts and investors are actually considering XPENG in one of the big 3 emerging electric vehicle companies. They increased their deliveries more than 5% moving from December into January, which is actually quite impressive as January is historically a very subdued month in terms of deliveries. Now, I really do think XPENG could be a very undervalued stock in comparison to other EV companies currently. We saw the extreme bullishness of investors and analysts gravitating towards XPENG last year, where their stock skyrocketed into the $70 per share, however quickly consolidated. Now, why did this initial surge happen, and could this possibly happen again soon? Well, there are a number of reasons why analysts think this actually might pop up again sooner rather than later. First of all, XPENG are positioned in the affordability market. This is an area that is expected to dominate in the coming landscape, and especially throughout 2021. If electric vehicles can drop below a certain price, a whole new market opens up, and XPENG is hoping to secure up this market share. Analysts are also extremely bullish on the fact that they are indeed vertically integrated. Unlike a lot of other startup EV companies, companies, XPENG actually owns their own manufacturing plant. This puts a company deeper into the red upon commencement, but after a number of deliveries begins paying dividends. Being vertically integrated, they are able to increase their vehicle margin and their gross margin faster than a company using an outsourcing model. They currently have their Zhaoqing plant, which is a self-owned plant with more than 100,000 units of annual capacity. This is incredible, and what's more is that the company also outsources to their Hema plant, which has an annual capacity of 150,000 units. This is 250,000 units of potential capacity per year. XPENG has also been raising cash and cash equivalents through multiple capital raises as of last year and are in a very strong cash position. XPENG is becoming increasingly attractive as its share price falls back down once again. Now, there were concerns over their G3 recall, which may be faltering their valuations, and if this can come down below the $44 mark, I will yet again be purchasing a bulk amount of shares. Remember, we as long-term investors aren't overly concerned about these short-term share price fluctuations. Zoom out and focus on the big picture. This company could easily push into the triple digits, representing a 100% gain if they are able to sustain this growth throughout 2021. We did see quite a hefty slip in their valuations today. However, this was virtually across the entire board on Chinese EV startups. I will be keeping a very close eye on them and their next earnings release. I really like that they are vertically integrated and that they are continually pursuing becoming the first Chinese EV company to mass produce L4 autonomous driving vehicles. More than 40% of all XPENG employees are strictly dedicated to research and development, and they see autonomous driving as being absolutely necessary in their continued success and in separating themselves from the rest of the pack. I do see this as a good pickup, and these low share valuations continue to gain appeal for me personally as they continue falling. I will keep you all updated on my picks as soon as they come out. They will be posted on Discord and Patreon in real time. Don't forget about the Webull promo, 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. All you have to do is 1, sign up, 2, open an account, and 3, deposit in at least $100 using the link in my description. This is a complete no-brainer. They are a 0% commissions trading platform and offer some of the best analytics in the game. This offer ends soon, guys. Don't sleep on it. Check out the Patreon and Discord channels if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. It really helps out the channel. The Discord is completely free. There's some really cool inside picks, some inside looks, users constantly giving their inside scoops. It's really awesome. Check out the Patreon page. I will be posting every single one of my trades moving throughout 2021. I finished 2020 with over a 50% ROI. You don't want to miss any of those trades. The link is in the description. Anyways, everyone, just a quick one for today. I will see you all in the next episode. Take care. Happy trading. Cheers.